All right. All right, calm it down. All right, now we're going for the tangent of A first. So we have to figure out for this guy what's opposite, what's the value for the opposite side, what's the value for the adjacent side, what's the value for the hypotenuse. Well, first off, with this triangle, what's the value for the hypotenuse? Where's the hypotenuse? It's 5. The hypotenuse is 5. Now, for the sine of A, which one is opposite? 3. And which one's adjacent? Yep. So now, if you use SOHCAHTOA, or this, I like this a little bit better, because you can see the ratios. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So what's the opposite value? 3. What's the hypotenuse? 5. The cosine of A is going to be the adjacent side for A, which is 4 over 5. And then tangent is going to be opposite over adjacent, which is 3 over 4. Now, yes, question or just no? In every triangle, there are 2 sets of acute angles that we can figure out sine, cosine, tangent for. The second one is here. Well, we already established the hypotenuse. That one doesn't change. But what's the opposite side? For B, for angle B, what's the opposite side? 4. What's the adjacent side? 3. So the sine is still opposite over hypotenuse. So what's the opposite side? 4/5. The cosine is 3/5. The tangent is. Now, when you take a look at these 6 values, do you see anything that's nice and special? What about these 2 guys? Aren't they the same? The sine of A equals the cosine of B. What can you say about the cosine of A and the sine of B? So the cosine of A is equal to the sine of B. And what can you say about these 2? We're not done yet? They're not opposite. It starts with an R. They're reciprocals. Alright, so now, ladies and gentlemen, you guys don't get to pack up until I tell you we're done. Which means we work until I'm done. Not until you guys think you're done, until I'm done. If you learn this now, you're going to save yourself a lot of heartache. Also, if you line up at the door, no matter how many people line up at the door, we're staying 10 seconds for every person.